Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to make a statement or a prediction, depending upon how you want to look at it. Some people might be wondering if Sir P start to sniff the white powder, but people, not like that. Just listen to me right now. I'm going to make a prediction about the Big C. I'm going to tell you what is going to happen to the Big C. Right, and then later on when it actually happens, people don't know where to link me by Instagram already if it's a Sir P, you did say it. But before we go any further, I just want to remind you about the World Health Organization. You know that organization that is supposed to put the world's health first, and that is where everybody look to get information. I just want everybody to remember how these scammers were telling the world that the coronavirus cannot, or there is no evidence that show that coronavirus can move from human to human, and made the world and people in general become lax until it was too late. People, don't ever forget that. Don't ever forget how Chinese money buy out the World Health Organization, right? And this is not my words, by the way. The people in China are now slamming the WHO and saying they're a bunch of sellouts because the Chinese government were telling them to tell people, say, them not nothing to worry about, and it don't move from human to human, even though people were actually in China as far back as this November and December last year were saying, listen, this thing can move from human to human. The World Health Organization told the world, and you can look at your screen right now and see the tweet in January, that there is no clear evidence that it can move from human to human. People were chilled out and relaxed because, well, the World Health Organization says so. So it must be true, right? And then now the world get caught off guard. All of a sudden this thing starts spread like fire. So I'm just to put that back out there in case people forget or didn't know, right? Because see, what you have to understand, these organizations with the word world in it, they don't care about the world. Let me say that again. These organizations that have the word world in it, they don't care about the world. These organizations are normally bought and paid for by a few very powerful countries. So that is where their interests lie, and that is who they protect. The rest are on the dog name on the supper. Now, let me move into the video. The prediction I'm going to make right now is that in the future, and I don't mean 10 years from now, I don't even mean a year from now, in the near future, everybody have to go back to work. Listen, people were saying, Trump said people want to go back to work. Well, let me tell you this right now. I'm telling you that in the future, the very near future, this whole fuss we see going over coronavirus, and everybody run up and down on quarantine and stay yard, it is going to end soon and very soon. Remember that song? Soon and very soon, we are going to see the king. Remember that song there? Well, soon and very soon, the whole of one have to go back to work. People, this is not sustainable. All of these actions that you see right now going on in the world, lock down this and shut down that, it is not sustainable. Me hear say Uncle Sam just passed on $2.2 trillion stimulus package. That is also not sustainable. Oh yeah, all you Americans who are going to be getting your checks, enjoy it. Can probably last one in our get. It is not sustainable. You can't keep pumping out $1 trillion stimulus package over and over and over again. If this thing starts to push on down in the summer and down in the October, September, we don't have to go back on work. The economy must go on. I'm sorry. People, listen. I'm calling it right now. If by them time they didn't figure out how to cure or how to deal with corona with some kind of vaccine, people, them are gonna say, listen, one back at work and who's sick, just sick. I know it sounds crazy now, but watch what's going to happen. This is not sustainable. All of these on the stay home and shut down this and shut down that, it is not sustainable. The world will have to go back at work, regardless of whether this thing is a vaccine or not. And speaking about vaccine, people, just be careful with these vaccine things. Just please, just be. When you hear people come around and, oh, we have the new vaccine for this, everybody want to come take it. Just be careful, people, right? Tell them to take it first, right? If you hear a vaccine come around, more want to see all of the big people there, more want to see the politicians and all them, more want to see them do themselves with it first, right? Then the people can follow, because that's what leaders do. Anybody come around with a vaccine for the big C people and tell us, oh, we have the corona vaccine, the whole world must take it. What the nations need to do is, alright, we take it first. All you presidents and prime ministers and high society and elite people, we take it first and then the rest will follow, right? And I don't want nobody to tell people, say, oh, Serpy, I tell people, say, enough take the vaccine, Serpy and endanger people's life. No, I'm not about when you can do what you feel like. I'm just saying, I just prefer to see them take it first. Because history has been very unkind when it comes down to this tech vaccine business, right? So, people, enjoy the little time when you can watching the Netflix, right? Or Simple Simon is busy trying to repopulate the whole world right now because he have more time on him hand. But just enjoy it while it lasts, because it will not last, right? And as I say, soon and very soon, everybody have to go bite their lip and go on back to work. That's just the reality of the situation. Cure or no cure, treatment or no treatment, people have to go back to work, life have to go continue, and people have to go just deal with it. People have to just say, listen, we have to go start look on this thing like how we look on other illnesses. We have to go say, boy, we have to go treat this thing like how, because people are already comparing it to the flu. People are already comparing it to the flu and say, well, if the flu kill this amount of people, and don't start nobody from go to work, why would stop go to work? That argument will get stronger and stronger the longer this thing go on. So, people, enjoy on Netflix, enjoy on yourself at home, but get yourself ready. By summertime, everybody will go back to work. Just watch and see. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.